Hello people, welcome. If you're new to my channel, welcome. This channel, you guys, we don't stick to one thing. We do various things. We do diversity of things. We surprise people. So today, guys, as you can see, this is a surprise. So I've never done anything concerning organization and all that. Okay, sorry guys, my name is Stella Perita. I'm a YouTuber in Kenya, a proud Kenyan. I'm based in Kakamega. People, subscribe to my channel, support your own. Okay, and everybody in the world. So guys, if you have not subscribed to my channel, please do so. Subscribe, like, give me a thumbs up, comment down there anything you want me to change, anything you want me to talk about. I'll gladly do it for you guys. So guys, today I'm going to disarrange I'm going to disarrange my fridge. I'm going to clean and I'm going to arrange. Guys, my fridge is not full. As you can see, these days people, you just survive with what you have. Things are hard though, things are not that good, but we thank God. The little that you have, just appreciate to God, don't complain, because there are so many people don't even have that what you have. So I appreciate to God everything that I have. So I'm going to disarrange, I'm going to wipe, I'm just going to clean, I'm going to arrange on. Of course guys, I'm going to show you how I make my cereals, just cereals. I boil them. Of course I don't cook, it's called meal preparation, but I just don't cook fully because I don't have an oven. If you cook fully, I believe you just remove the food from the fridge and you just put in the oven and you're done. But as for me, I don't have an oven, so I just boil. I boil my cereals. That's what I do. And anything I can't cook, I'll cook when I want to eat something like potatoes. So guys, without further ado, straight to the video. So guys, this is how my fridge looks like, and I'm really I'm proud of you guys. I'm very proud. As you can see, I just arranged everything where it was supposed to be. As simple as that. I'm not a complicated kind of a person. I do things simple, in a simple way. I don't know why this clip is here, don't understand. But anyways guys, I've really tried to edit this video using what is it called, InShot. InShot was just bringing some things I don't even understand. The video looking kind of double. I didn't even understand how it was working, so I just had to go back to the one that I'm used to, though a very simple one. Yeah, though a simple one. U-cut, that's what I normally use, so I just decided to go back to it and just use it. I don't have to go and use something that will mess up my videos because I don't understand it. I'll just look for somebody who understands it better, so that I can learn from them. Yeah, so guys, I just arranged my things are simple like that. So guys, these are the cereals I make. This is githeri, as you can see. This is githeri. I might add potatoes, sun potatoes and carrots inside, and also cabbage, at least to make it yummy. So guys, I had to boil the beans, all of the beans separately, and I had to boil also maize separately because I wanted those ones to be separate. I didn't want to make a whole lot of githeri. These ones minjis, yeah, minjis here in Kakamega, they are selling like, how do you say it, like medicine. That cardot there is these ndengus. They told me it's called ati ndengu za kienyeji. Yeah, ndengu za kienyeji. I don't know how they're called, but they just told me that it's called ndengu za kienyeji. This is beans. So beans I can cook with rice, with chapel, with of course veggies, and I'll be good to go. And guys, the reason why I'm just cooking small things, these ones I'm only maize. I had to boil the maize in the bean soup. That's why it's looking like that. It's not right. So guys, those are my grains. As you can see, the reason why I'm cooking small is because we are only two, so I don't have to make a lot of meals because I feel it will get spoiled. I don't like throwing things away. Okay, it's just not my thing, so I'd rather make a small amount, the one I can consume up to the end of the week. Then I prepare another one. So as simple as that. That's how I make. So I'm just going to arrange my cereals. Guys, I don't even have those fridge cans. I don't know how they are called, those plastics. That's why I'm just storing using my bowls, using, I don't know, my plastic, the plastics that I have. But I think I'll have to purchase those bowls because now I see they're so useful. Yeah, so I'm just going to arrange them like that. So guys, that's all for today. That's how the fridge looks. As you can see, I've really tried. Yeah, I've really tried, of course. Yeah, I've really tried to arrange everything well. So guys, I'm so glad that you've watched. Thank you so much guys. For those ones who have not subscribed, please do so. Subscribe to my channel, give me a thumbs up, comment. So there, I'm trying to set the fridge. I don't want it to be in the coldest part. I'll just keep on regulating because of the food